little baby chicken.
Is the mission complete?
Yes, Director Krennic. The package is in.
Whoa, cute little baby chicken does not want to stay here anymore.
Sir, I present to you Dengar. Sir, it looks like they've captured Dengar.
Roger that. If they try to interrogate him, make a distraction. We will be sending in an advanced party.
I hope the one comes to save me.
Speak, or we will make you.
Oh no, what should I do?
What do you have to say?
Doesn't have any battery left.
Haha, suckers.
Advance party to scout. Advance party to scout. We have landed in the northwest corner of the property. Meet us here ASAP. What was that noise?
It's me. The probe droid is working again. They're going to be interrogating him soon. We have to hurry.
Gear up for battle. Meet back here at 0300. Listen, they've sounded the defensive positions alarm. We need to be stealthy.
Get in defensive positions. We spotted them.
Blood, death, blood. Murder. Blood, death, blood, blood.
Woohoo! We won! We are so happy! Whatevs.
Whatevs.